Unraveling WH questions, the key to engaging conversations. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our channel, your one-stop solution for all your English learning needs. Today, we are delving into the world of WH questions. These questions are the building blocks of any conversation, opening up opportunities for deeper understanding and engagement. So, let's dive right in. WH questions, as the name suggests, are questions that begin with WH, words, and occasionally, how. They are called open-ended questions because they usually require more than a simple yes or no answer. They call for information and can be about anything, from a person's opinion to the details of a particular situation. Now that we know what WH questions are, let's look at some common WH question words and how we use them. 1. What? This question word is used to inquire about specific information. For instance, what is your name? Or, what do you like to do in your free time? 2. Who? We use who when we want to know about a person. For example, who is your favorite singer? Or, who cooked this delicious meal? 3. When? This word helps us inquire about time. For example, when is your birthday? Or, when do we need to submit the assignment? 4. Where? We use where to ask about a place or location. For example, where do you live? Or, where is the nearest supermarket? 5. Why? Why? Helps us understand reasons or motivations. For example, why are you late? Or, why do you like playing football? 6. How? Although not a WH word, how is an integral part of this group. It is used to inquire about the manner or way something is done. For example, how do you cook this dish? Or, how can I get to the museum? Remember, all these questions require more than a simple yes or no answer. They are your keys to engaging and meaningful conversations. When forming WH questions, the basic structure is WH question word plus verb plus subject plus object. This order may vary slightly depending on the context or the verb tense being used. Here are some examples. 1. What do you prefer, tea or coffee? What plus do plus you plus prefer? 2. Who is playing the guitar? Who plus is plus playing plus the guitar? Note that the subject and verb can switch places in questions, which is a distinctive feature of English. That wraps up our introduction to WH questions. Remember, practice is crucial. Try to incorporate these questions in your daily conversations to make them more engaging and informative. As always, keep practicing, keep exploring, and keep learning. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more exciting English language lessons. Happy learning!